Protein metabolism is the vital process where your body breaks down proteins from food into amino acids. These amino acids are then used to build and repair tissues throughout the body. Any waste products are safely eliminated, providing both building blocks and energy from the protein you eat. Imagine a construction crew demolishing an old building to salvage bricks for a new structure while cleaning up the debris. That's similar to how protein metabolism works. Amino acids are the basic building blocks with their unique structures, including amino and carboxyl groups. This structure allows them to link together in proteins. During metabolism, amino acids undergo processes like transamination and deamination to break them down, producing energy and waste like urea through the urea cycle. In summary, protein metabolism turns food proteins into essential amino acids for growth and repair, while managing waste elimination to keep your body functioning smoothly. The first stage in protein metabolism is digestion and absorption. This is where proteins from your food are broken down and taken into your body to be used. Digestion begins in your stomach with an enzyme called pepsin. Pepsin works in the acidic environment of the stomach to start breaking down protein chains. From there, the partially digested proteins move to the small intestine, where enzymes like trypsin and chymotrypsin continue the work. These enzymes chop long protein chains into smaller pieces, dipeptides, tripeptides, and individual amino acids. Chymotrypsin, for example, uses a complex mechanism to cleave peptide bonds, releasing these smaller fragments. Next comes absorption. These small pieces are absorbed through the intestinal wall into your bloodstream. Special transporters, such as pepT1 and B0A1, help move amino acids and small peptides across the intestinal cells into the bloodstream. Think of it like a delivery truck picking up the salvaged bricks and bringing them to the construction site, ready to be used for building new structures in your body. Key takeaway: digestion and absorption are crucial first steps, turning dietary proteins into usable amino acids that your body can utilize for various functions. Once the amino acids are circulating in your bloodstream, your body can break them down for energy or to get rid of excess nitrogen. This process is called catabolism. The first step in catabolism is transamination. This transfers the amino group from an amino acid to an keto acid, helping to prepare the amino acid for further breakdown. Next comes oxidative deamination. This removes the ammonia, or NH3, from the amino acid. Ammonia is toxic to our bodies, so this step is crucial for safely processing proteins. Since ammonia is toxic, the liver converts it into urea through the urea cycle. This multi-step process safely packages the nitrogen for excretion. Finally, the urea is excreted from the body in urine. Think of it like separating the useful parts of a brick from the mortar and then safely disposing of the mortar. That's essentially what catabolism does with amino acids. The amino acids that aren't broken down in catabolism become the building blocks for anabolism, the process of constructing new proteins and other molecules in the body. Anabolism requires energy, typically in the form of ATP, that's generated through catabolism, to drive these synthetic reactions. This includes repairing damaged tissues, synthesizing enzymes that speed up chemical reactions, and creating hormones that regulate body functions. Protein synthesis occurs in cells through transcription, where DNA is copied into mRNA, and translation, where ribosomes read the mRNA to assemble amino acids into proteins. Think of it like using those salvaged bricks to build a new wall or an entirely new building. Your body uses anabolism to repair tissues and create essential molecules. Key takeaways: anabolism builds new proteins using amino acids, requires ATP energy from catabolism, and is essential for tissue repair, creating enzymes, and producing hormones. Protein metabolism is crucial for many reasons. It provides the building blocks for growth and repair of our bodies, supports the synthesis of essential molecules like heme in red blood cells and neurotransmitters for brain function, and contributes to energy homeostasis. For example, heme is a crucial molecule in hemoglobin that helps carry oxygen in our blood. Without proper protein metabolism, we couldn't produce enough heme to keep our blood healthy. Similarly, neurotransmitters are chemicals made from amino acids that allow our brain cells to communicate. This is essential for clear thinking and proper brain function. In summary, protein metabolism helps us maintain our tissues, regulate body processes, and even think clearly. Without it, these vital functions would be impaired. Let's look at real-world examples to see protein metabolism in action. Athletes rely on protein for muscle repair and growth after workouts. Intense exercise breaks down muscle tissue, and amino acids from dietary protein help rebuild it stronger. Now consider phenylketonuria, or PKU, a genetic condition. In PKU, the body lacks the enzyme to break down phenylalanine, leading to toxic buildup. People with PKU must carefully manage their protein intake to avoid health problems. In a 2026 Olympic case study, endurance runners used metabolomic data to optimize glucogenic amino acids, like alanine. This process of gluconeogenesis converted amino acids to glucose, reducing fatigue by 20% during competition. These examples show how crucial proper protein metabolism is to health and performance. Whether for athletes recovering from workouts or managing genetic conditions, understanding amino acid pathways helps optimize outcomes. So, to recap, protein metabolism is a dynamic process involving digestion, absorption, catabolism, and anabolism. It provides the building blocks and energy we need to function. Understanding this process is key to maintaining health and optimizing performance. Remember to eat a balanced diet with adequate protein to support this vital process.